Daniel for GearBest, and as you can see today I bring you one of the most exciting smartphones of this year. It's one of the most innovative pretty much ever. It's the Vivo NEX, and the name is very appropriate. NEX obviously makes you think about what's the next step perhaps, and as you saw right there, there's the camera popping up. It's the selfie camera. So this is a phone almost, I'm going to show you the front. There you go, full screen display, 91% screen to body ratio right here, no notch on the top. So the solution that Vivo found was to put the camera inside and make it pop up automatically, as you've seen. Amazing display, a 6.59-inch Super AMOLED display. So this is really high up there in super flagship territory. Inside 8 GB of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. There's no option for micro SD card, but really who needs it when you have 128 gigs inside. It's running Android 8.1 Oreo. It's a custom made version of it from Vivo, but it's pretty great, very functional. In the back we have a dual camera as well, not just a selfie pop-up one. That's 12 and 5 megapixel right there with a flash LED light. And in the front, the real showstopper, the reason why this phone is so exciting really, it's the selfie camera. Let me show you again. There you go, and you press for the selfie and it just pops up like that. It's really quick. There's a little sound there, like a kind of cool Inspector Gadget-y kind of sound, but it's really quick. And it just comes out and it works, and it goes down again and then up seemingly. Don't worry, you can do this like thousands and thousands of times. It won't break. It's very sturdy, it's very strong actually. Even if you touch it, it won't break, surprisingly. I mean, you might think so if you just look at it, but no, the construction quality here, it's superb. So anyway, that's it for the camera. Let me remove, there you go. Also, still about the phone, 4000 milliamp battery, that's pretty cool, pretty large. The CPU, it's a Qualcomm, a Snapdragon 845 CPU, that's an Octa core, one of the best processors for mobiles in the world right now. The GPU, it's the Adreno 630, so also great for graphics, I mean for gaming and everything. This is as good as it gets. Also, very cool addition here. On top, there's a 3.5mm jack. That's very surprising for a flagship smartphone. You usually don't find that in most new models. So Vivo showing that you actually can have everything in one, just one smartphone, and still keep the full display, the bezel-less display all around, really spectacularly. I mean, it just looks awesome, and the design and everything, it's really, this is the future right here of smartphones. Anyway, check the link below to find all the specs, the pricing, all the details you need to know. It's really, really cool. Check gearbest.com, check for Vivo, the Vivo NEX. This is a place to buy it. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.